हेलो गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम आपके लिए हर दिन एक न्यू वीडियो लेकर आते हैं। तो आज हम आपके लिए एक स्टोरी लेकर आए हैं जिसका नेम है द टोस्टी एंड द बर्ड। तो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो चैनल को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो अब तक आसानी से पहुँच सके। तो चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। वीडियो अच्छी लगे वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। The tortoise and the bird. Once upon a time, in a quiet meadow, there lived a slow and steady tortoise named Terry. Terry was known for his patience, careful ways. He liked to take his time, enjoying every step for his journey. One day, while resting under a tree, he noticed a bird named Bella. Bella flying high in the sky. Bella was quick, graceful, and free to travel wherever he pleased. Tara watched Bella with admiration, thinking about how different she was from him. He had always invited the bird's ability to fly, wishing he could move as fast and freely as Bella. One day, feeling a bit jealous, he approached Bella and said, "You are so fast and free, Bella. I bet you could never leave as slowly as I do. You could not even finish the things I do because you move too quickly." Bella, who was kind but a bit proud of her flying skills, replied, "Oh, Terry, is not about being fast or slow. I can reach places you could never go. But you can stay grounded and enjoy the simple things that I can't experience." Terry thought for a moment and then said, "We have a race? I will travel along the ground and you can fly through the air. You will see who gets to the other side of the meadow first." Bella was surprised by the idea but agreed. She had never thought of racing at or tortoises before, and she was sure his fly skills would win her and race. When her the race, they decided to start the race the next day, each choosing a starting point on opposite sides of the meadow. The next morning, the race began. Bella flew high into the sky, soaring quickly over the meadow. Terry slowing started his journey along the ground. Bella's speed gave her a hug adventure, and soon she was far ahead to Terry. Confident that he would win, Bella decided to take a break on the tree branch to rest for a while. Meanwhile, Terry continued his steady pace. Did not stop to rest and kept moving forward slowly but surely. After some time, Terry passed the resting Bella without he noticed he did not rush or worry about how fast or slow he was going. He just kept moving at his own pace. When Bella finally woke up from her nap, she saw Terry nearing the finish line. Alarmed, she took off quickly, but it was too late. Tara had already crossed the finish line, winning the race. Bella landed beside Terry, panted and out of breath. "I cannot believe you won, Terry. I was so sure I would be the winner," she said. Terry smiled and said, It was not about being fast, Bella. It was about steady progress and not giving up. Sometimes show and steady wins to race. Bella learned a valuable lesson that downhill speed has its adventures, peace, pettiness, and perseverance are just as important. Moral slow and steady progress often leads to success. Don't underestimate the power of patness and patness persistence. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। दुआ में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।